Here's how to convert MOV to AVI. So if you want to convert from MOV video to AVI, I created an app called ConvertSave because it does exactly that. It converts and it saves. All you have to do is click and drag into ConvertSave, whatever MOV file you have, then select your output. There's a lot of different outputs you can choose, and this one will just select AVI and then hit convert, and it will convert your MOV file into an AVI file. And so ConvertSave is something I'm working on with my brother. He's a software developer, and we made this app. It's downloadable software for your desktop for Windows and Mac, and it works completely offline. So this conversion is just like I could turn my Wi-Fi off and do all these conversions. It works with tools on your system and helps you get everything set up. And so doing images, doing video, doing audio. You can even do video to audio if you want. And we just added this really cool advanced section. It's advanced because you might need to know a little bit about using FFmpeg to do your conversions, but it shows you the primary conversion that we do, and then it also shows you a secondary high quality encoder conversion if the primary one fails, and then you can also set up custom flags to replace as the primary. And these custom options are like almost endless with what you can do. And if you don't know anything, if you're not that advanced, you can actually click on this options builder, which will help you build out commands based on a lot more user-friendly things. Like you have a quality slider here. We can do things like adjust video bitrate. We can adjust the resolution or the frame rate of video. You can even convert to the same file. So if we wanted to go MOV to MOV, but we wanted to take the frame rate from 60 to 30, we could actually do that with this. You're kind of like converting that MOV from a 60 frames per second video to a 30 frames per second video. And so, or you can convert MOV to AVI, right? And this, so there's a bunch of different features here, and they change depending on the different formats and files that you're converting from and to. And so it reads and knows what you're converting. And so pretty excited about this. Basically, it builds you these generated commands, and it will use that as the custom command if you save it, and then it'll save with that file conversion if you want to use that one all the time. So that's the new advanced features. So we're trying to add a bunch of stuff and make it also user friendly, but I wanted it to be super simple, super quick. So it'll always be drag, drop, convert, save. Hope you guys find some value in ConvertSave and want to go check it out. You can see what it's all about at convertsave.com, or you can click the link in the description or the pinned comment down below. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next one.